again. Oi.
Hey.
Hello? Emergency sleepover 9 sharp. Be there.
Why? What's going on?
I'll explain then.
Hi there.
Hi. OMG, I have had the most scariest couple of nights. For some reason, a thief has been stealing from a fridge and I can't catch him. I don't know what to do.
What? Why didn't you call the cops?
I would, but they'll just think I'm crazy.
Did you guys hear that?
I think so.
I think that was it. We should go check it out.
See, I told you guys, I'm not crazy.
What kind of crazy person would steal from people's fridges?
I'm so confused.
Exactly. Now how are we gonna prove it?
Hey, look. I think he forgot his phone.
Great, so that must mean he's coming back.
Let's do this then. This is the guy that I've been telling you about, bro.
Great job, sis, but I'll take it from here. Alright, let's just get straight to the point. Who are you and what do you want?
I'm just hungry.
So what did I miss? And who's that guy that just left?
I'm just hungry.
We need evidence.
So what's the plan?
Cut. We need evidence.
So what's the plan?
Cut. I've tried, but I think they'll think I'm crazy.
So what's the plan?
Cut. Let's do this then. Cut.
Set.
Action. Ow.
So what did I miss? And who's that guy running out?
Cut. Oh, it did it. Cut.
Yeah. No.
Cut. Cut.
You looked at the camera.